for you guys. Guys, somebody told me to go and visit the place. So here I am in one of those Bangkok streets or place called Nana. So there we are. Okay, we continue to walk around the area and see how shoes places and so on. So here's the what's that? That's a beauty. So there is a lot of places where they sell a lot of t-shirts and clothes, and there's some watches. Seafood place, fresh seafood for you guys. This is a lot of restaurants of Baba Yemen. This is okay. This is Middle Eastern food they sell, and okay, there's a lot of Middle Eastern food, guys. Still, there's a lot of people walking around, and it's really very lively place, as there is the massage places and a lot of Arabic written language, and so that, as you can see, the street is so narrow. So basically, when the car passes by, I have to stop. So there we go, and there is a lot of girls standing here, and so. And that's there for and food, and this is okay. Well, I don't know. They sell okay. They sell. Oh, they sell. Madame Lee. There's the bags and so on. So there's a lot of very lively places in this part of town. There we are. So we keep going to see this gentleman's eating. Okay. And there's nice restaurants, nice places to come and have a feed here, guys. So, no. Okay. And that's there. There's a lot of Arabic food, let's put it this way. And there's the place. That's right. And there's the another there. So, okay. Keep walking and see what I can find in these places. Okay, so let's go into inside this spot and see what I can find. Anything exciting, any new things. Oops, sorry, mate. And yeah, so there is a lot of shops. I think, yeah, okay. There is a lot of Arab places, and should say Middle Eastern. So every shop I see it is written in Thai, English, and mainly English and Arabic. So there is from the gold places, massage places, barber shops, all fashion stuff, all are in this spot. So you will have, you will, he doesn't like me, this guy. You hairdresser? You hairdresser?
What's up?
Are you a hairdresser?
You talk to Arabic with him.
You Arabic.
حلاق انت؟
لا ايد الحلاق هنا حلاق.
نو هي دا تقول لك هذا الحلاقين ما يحبوه لان اصلع.
لا عادي. انا من مصر، انا عندي مكتب سياحه هنا.
اوكي.
انا من مصر. مصري.
اهلا وسهلا عراقي.
اهلا وسهلا.
You know Thai?พูดไทยได้ไหม
ได้have eat noy.
يعني ذاك مي.
พูด
You
ไทย
have
ไม่ได้
YouTuber يا عمي.
Yeah. Let me do this for you. So guys, there it is. So just in case I forget, that is a business card. So if you and tell him Martin sent you, make sure he will give you a good discount as well. I'm not getting paid for this. I just by chance he stopped me and he started talking to me. So here it is. I'm introducing him to my followers. Habibi.
Thank you.
Alif Shukr. Thank you very much. Cheers. Kafun kaf.
This is from where you bought, brother.
Sorry?
This is from where you bought.
This one?
Yeah.
I bought it from Bangkok.
Go ahead, MBK.
Sure. It's a camera shop.
Camera.
Any camera shop you can find. What's a banana something called?
Banana.
Banana.
How much is around?
American is somewhere $900.
$900.
Yeah, but good camera. But there's another one cheaper than this. It's a good camera as well. It's more. This one is very sensitive. Any electronic goes bang. No good. So yeah, but it's a good camera.
Yeah, it's
Where
good.
you
It's
from?
good.
The colors.
From Dubai.
Dubai.
Yeah.
ไปอาราบิก with him
حبيبي شلونك مازن؟ اهلا وسهلا هلا حبيبي
عراقي؟
عراقي بس صار لي من سنة 80 طالع من العراق.
حبيبي
حبيبي تسلم الف شكر. ثانك يو حبيب. Cheers. All right guys, so there we meet some other people and just by chance they see me, I'm filming, so they start talking to me. Here we go. Anyway, so it's a nice place, friendly place, looks to me, as Middle Easterns usually are very friendly people. So if you need help whatsoever, definitely they are like Thai people that you see a lot of Middle Eastern come to Thailand, because Thailand is a friendly country, friendly people, and so on. There we go, guys. Another. There's a lot of. They're selling a lot of fruits and so on. A nice, actually, good quality food. So where we find all that, and there's the other kebab, whatever they're doing. I'm not sure what they are doing, but I believe it's all Middle Eastern food they have, and there is. Okay, so wherever you are going around here, it's a lot of shops and good quality things, and yeah, so it's nice. And there we go. It's not a photo, it's a video. She sells as well
มันหน้าใสไง
ไม่ได้ออกแดด
suitcases and so on. So he is around Nana suburb or whatever you called a yep. So if you come to Nana, you will see this gentleman. He sells bags, and there is his opposite. Okay, that's where he is opposite of these shops. There's the kebab shop and so on. And exactly he is here. And that's his mate too. There is his mate.
15 วันเองแถม
There's more shops here and more hassle and bustle of this place. As we there is they sell glasses too if you want to, and yeah, so there is a lot of things you can buy. Actually, it's a buzzing of people buying things. Wait, I want to know the street name. So guys, I'm checking this street name if I can. Okay, so basically is number 5. There it is. Okay, in Nana Place. So if you come here, you will be looking for number 5 street and you will find where I was earlier. And
Nice to
there is the other side of the road really is not much going on. Everything it is in this area.
brother. One of the
So this street. Yep, I just saw that. So basically you come out from the station and you go straight. You will go to number 6. If you go back, basically you just turn right, and from the stairs you will come to this area. Let's see, we go in here. I want to see what's in here and see what we can find.
แค่ผับปลา
Okay, there's club bar here, looks like, yes. Okay, there's a lot of club bar and so on in this area. Looks like a lot of them. And there is having a lot of fun, a lot of lights, red and yellow. So much. And look at the sound and the music. There's another one there. The second street of going in. Enjoy, you guys. So many things is happening now. Look at it. It's a lot of people, a lot of girls. There's people playing pool. And there's another spot for the bar to go inside. And there's more of this one here, the Happy Party Bar. And there's more. Oh, sorry. 69. And thank you very much, guys, for watching the video, and don't forget to watch my next video on the right hand side or left hand side, and you have a good day. Thanks. Bye bye. Ciao for now.